Okay, hello once again. So, as I have prepared about lymphatic systems in the first session, Alice is going to continue with the functions of the lymphatic system and as well the comparison between.
Between the lymphatic system and circulatory system.
So I think we can start with the functions and continue with that comparison.
The function of lymphatic system the lymphatic system is responsible for removing the intestinal fluid from tissue. It absorbs and transports fatty acids, and also it transports white blood cells from lymph node into the bones. Lymph transports antigen presenting cells. As also about circulatory system, I want to talk about composition of blood. The blood is composed of blood cells, which made up of red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. The circulatory system have some functions like transport also oxygen, nutriment, and waste. The oxygen contain hemoglobin and waste from the cells. The circulatory system have a role of temperature regulation by attaining the blood flow through the skin, about immunity, protection against pathogens, blood clotting, phagocytes, lymphocytes, and antibody distributed in the blood, about communication, hormones distributed to all parts of the body in the blood, and circulatory system have the function of defense, the clotting from the wound. As a comparison of lymphatic system and circulatory system, the lymphatic system is a part of circulatory system. It means that circulatory system work with lymphatic system. The network of lymphatic vessels that carry a clear fluid called lymph. Directionally toward the heart. Unlike the cardiovascular system, the lymphatic system is not a closed system. The circulatory system processes an average of 20 liters of blood per day through the capillaries filtration, which removes plasma while driving the blood cells. 17 liters of filtered plasma get reabsorbed directly into the blood vessels, while the remaining 3 liters are left behind in interstitial fluid. One of the main functions of lymph system is to provide an accessory route of dose access 3 liters per day to get returned to the blood. The other main function is that of defense in the immune system. Lymph is very similar to blood plasma, but contain lymphocytes and other white blood cells. It also contains waste products and debris of cells together with bacteria and protein. Associated organs composed of lymphoid tissue are the site of lymphocyte production. Lymphocytes are concentrated in lymph nodes. The spleen and thymus are also lymphoid organs of the immune system. The tonsils are lymphoid organs that are also associated with the digestive system. Lymphoid tissue contains lymphocytes and also contains other types of cells of support. The system also includes all structures dedicated to the circulation and production of lymphocytes, which also include the bone marrow and the lymphoid tissue associated with the digestive system. The blood does not come into direct contact with the parenchymal cells and tissue in the body, but constituents of the blood first exist in macrovascular exudative blood vessels to become interstitial fluid, which come into contact with the parenchymal cells of the body. Lymph is a fluid that is formed when interstitial fluid enters the initial lymphatic vessel of the lymph system. The lymph is then moved along the lymphatic vessel network by further intracranial contractions of the lymphatic passage or by compression of lymphatic vessel via external tissue forces. By the lymph arts in some animals, the organization of lymph nodes and drainage flows the organization of the body into external and internal regions. Therefore, the lymphatic drainage of head, lymph, and body cavity was brought in external route and lymphatic drainage of the thorax, abdomen, and pelvis cavity flows and internal route. Eventually, the lymph vessel and empty vessels empty into the lymphatic duct, which drain into one of two subclavian veins near the junction of subclavian vein with the internal jugular vein. Thank you for your kind attention. This is the difference or comparison of circulatory and the lymphatic systems. Thank you.
Okay, thank you guys. This is the end of the lecture. See you.